Hey y'all, welcome to Sunflower Tasha DIYs. I'm Tasha. I like to do arts, crafts, DIYs, recreations, Bible journaling, thrift, and trash flips on my channel. I hope you guys enjoy my video today.
Hey y'all, welcome to my video. Today we are doing a thrift flip collaboration with yours truly, Sammy and the cousins, Trish and Kay. So I'm so excited to be a part of this playlist, but I have to tell y'all, I did get this little cardigan. What do you think? I did get this for my thrift find, and I found these really cute Maurice's pants. So they fit pretty well. I'm not going to show you my bum, of course, because of the cardigan. But what do you guys think? And I made my shirt. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think of this cute little outfit. I love it. I also have this color, but it's a kind of darker, longer sleeve shirt. I think would look really cute with this as well. But yeah, let me know what you think. And I hope you guys like my new bangs. I haven't had them since I was 20. I love it.
Hey y'all, so we are here with the Thrift Flip Road Trip Open Challenge. This collaboration is hosted by Sammy and Trish and Kay from Unicorn Dust Designs and the Crafting Cousins. And their co-host this time is Annie from Indiana Jones. I hope you guys enjoy everyone's video today. I will link everyone down in my description box, so don't forget to watch the playlist. So this is the first store that I ventured to. I didn't really find much there. I did find a book of songs from like the 1800s, so that made me really happy. Then I went to my Salvation Army. This is where I found my cute cardigan and these cute signs and some stamps and a few other things that I forgot to take a picture of. And then my Savers Mart consignment store. This is where I flip all of my items and buy a lot of things. So I did use some of these here. So let's hop right in to project number 1. This is what it's going to be looking like here, and I want to say thank you for helping me grow on this channel. So here is this one that we picked up from the consignment store. I love that store. This time they did not have the 50% off tag. Sometimes they have a color on the door and then they have different colored price tags, and they'll have like 25%, 50% on some days. The day I went, of course, didn't have that, but that's okay. We still had fun shopping, and I found my jeans from my consignment shop as well. I didn't grab those until afterwards because I had to go try them on, of course. So I'm just mixing some water, some gesso, and a little bit of chalk paint together so I can kind of prime this up a little bit here, because this is kind of a dark color, and it's going to take a few coats to get this bad boy covered. So once I get that all covered, I flip it over. I do the same thing. I added just a tad bit more gesso here to the sides and stuff, instead of, just on the inside, because the inside you're really not going to see because we're going to fill it up. But after we're done giving this good coat here, and sorry if you guys hear my dogs, because they hear another dog outside, and you know how that goes. So we'll dab away. And then once I was done dabbing all that white on, I go ahead and use these little wood blocks that I got from the Dollar Tree, or dice, or whatever. I forget what they're called. I just showed you. We'll just use some of that glue from the Dollar Tree right here and glue these down. And I just dabbed off a little bit so it didn't like ooze out everywhere and drip down and stuff, And let that dry. I'll use my little paint here to make sure it like stays, in place. And then I cut these words out on my Cricut. I'm just using some cardstock, and now I'm using my sticker maker here to put on this cute little, I don't even know what you call this thing. We're going to call it a planner now. I don't know what it was before or what they used it for, whoever had it before me. So once we get some of that sticky out of the openings here and there, you get a little bit of sticky from the from making this a sticker. And then I'm going to use a little bit of this rub-on transfer. This comes from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to adhere this down to both sides of this cute little planter. I love it. It's so adorable. It's black and white. You guys know me and my black and white. I almost added a buffalo check ribbon, and I didn't. I put the heart on there instead. I thought about putting a little bow right there, but I kept it a little simpler here. So you guys, we're going to put my not favorite item to craft with, and that's that dang craft foam. It makes a mess, it feels gross, and it makes me gag. But anyways, we are going to use these cute little flowers that we got from the Dollar Tree, and we'll just poke these here and there all across there, like so. And then I also take off those leaves here, and we're going to go ahead and just stick those down too. And I cut just a little bit, that way I could have, so I can poke it down into that foam. Yay! I love this so far. It's so cute. And then I'm just going to take some toothpicks. I'm going to cut them in half. I have these pieces. They called them boxwood, but I don't know what they are actually. I think they accidentally put the wrong ones on there, but I got these at Walmart. And once I got them all in, this is what it's looking like. You'll see more of it at the final reveal. Project number 2. Hello, spring. Isn't this so cute? Oh my goodness, I love it. So here I got this for $2.99. This one was at the Salvation Army. And I'm going to go ahead and give it a good cover here. And I just did one coat on the back of the gesso, and then I did a coat of my white chalk paint. But I don't show you all of that part. And I just paint this entire backing. I do not, or the front, I do not paint the back at all. I'm going to actually put the project on the back, if that makes sense. Yeah. I like using my gesso to prime a little bit before I add my chalk paint. I feel like it helps a lot. Y'all, I found this paper pad at Michael's last year for 99 cents. You cannot beat that. Oh, I loved it. It was a cute little pad. I've made a couple projects, or I made one other project using this paper already, the same paper. And I loved it. You'll have to go check that out too. You'll find it. I'll link it down in the playlist too if you want to see it. It's so cute. Then we just use some Mod Podge here, put the cardstock on, do the little iron so we don't get them wrinkles. And then I sanded all the edges to get a perfect, nice, clean, cut looking project here. And then I just cut these out on my little Cricut Joy. I just use Cricut Design Space. And I spent the whole day just cutting out black silhouette stuff. If I'm going to pay $10 a month for Cricut, I'm going to get my money's worth each month and go ahead and make a bunch of things just one day, and then I'll have it, whenever I need it. So I found these cute silhouette flowers, you guys, and the bunny. Oh, it's so adorable. And we'll just go around the edging to make this pop. I love it. Okay, so let's hop into my last project for you today. Seeing it's spring. Oh, isn't this so adorable? Oh, I just love it. And farmhousey, it's staying on my wall. $1.99. It looked like it came from Hobby Lobby or Walmart. This was Walmart. It said Walmart. And then we will unscrew the backing. I loved that, so I could change it up here. I have this paper pad from Hobby Lobby. And we're just going to go ahead and use some Mod Podge right over top of this. Now I could have left that and just flipped it over and used that if I wanted it back. But I just covered it up because what are the chances that I'm ever going to use that on my wall? Probably slim to none. So once I get all the stickers off, and we'll go ahead and trim this up, and then I use my little finger sander thing. Or no, I'm sorry. I use the iron first, you know, so we don't get them wrinkles. And then I used the little finger sander. Blah. Okay, so I know I set it up this way and I show you, and I'm just like trying to play around and figure out how I want to do this. And you guys, this is cardstock. This is not vinyl. I love doing cardstock projects. Me and vinyl do not get along. I can never get it off the silly old paper that it comes on. I have the hardest time getting it off. So I don't mess with it too much. I probably should practice more. Maybe I will get better at that. But for now, we're just going to keep it fast and simple. And I am going to use cardstock and my sticker maker and some glue. Now I cut all these flowers out differently, and I'm trying to figure out maybe what I want to use here. And yeah, I ended up putting it a little different than I'm showing you. I thought about using 2 flowers. I don't know. We'll see. You'll see here in a second. So I have this precision tip bottle here. It makes it so much easier. It barely puts out any glue, and I love it. And that's how I adhered the flower and the bird, and then I use my sticker maker on the words. And then we'll go ahead and just, you know, put the screws back in and hang it up on my gallery wall in my kitchen. I love it. This was my favorite project today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I love the birds because my deck is always filled with so many birds in the summertime. We love to feed them. We have a bunch of feeders out there. I get a lot of blue jays, and I just love when I see them. And then, of course, you know, your girl has to add the cute buffalo plaid ribbon because that's my thing. And here we go. We just made a little bow tie and like some little tails. And we're just going to add that to the top, you guys. I love that little galvanized sign. It was such a great steal. I love it. How cute. You guys, let me know which one today is going to be your favorite. Your favorite. I love all of them. And you guys, I do have another video that came out today as well, if you guys would like to watch it. I made some really cute projects using cardstock and Dollar Tree items. If you guys want to check that out too, I had so much fun making those. And of course, I have no hot glue right now, so I'm just using some Aleene's glue. Here we are at the final reveal, you guys. This is just sitting in my kitchen. Oh, I just absolutely love it. It turned out so beautiful and so simple to make, and you can do this with any container, really. And this is so amazing. You guys could do this on a canvas. You could do this on any of those little wood canvases too the Dollar Tree has. There's just so many options you can do to make something like this. Absolutely love it. This is definitely my second favorite today. And of course, we are here at my favorite project today. It matches so well in my kitchen. I had to snag it. You guys, I went thrift shopping again today. Today is Friday, March 15th, and I'm doing my voiceover for this video. So I had so much fun today shopping for some more thrift flip videos coming out next week. So I'm super excited. Bye!
I'd like to thank the host today for having me on the playlist, and thank you to all my subscribers and all your continued support here on my channel. If you are new here, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. It really helps me grow on YouTube, and I appreciate all that you do when you do that. Also, if you hit that bell button, you can be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you again for watching Sunflower Tasha DIYs. You can follow me on Instagram on my personal account, or you can follow me on my gallery account. My personal is obviously my personal, and then my gallery is just where I post pictures of things that I had made on my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you so much for all that you do and all your continued support. Bye!